So there.
Thank you. Still has the new smell. I actually like it.
Yeah, I'll go with it. Thank you. No problem. Oh my God. Yeah.
That's why no bus round there.
Ah, yeah. This all goes to the
North Greenwich. Yeah.
Do you like football?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah,
Good,
it's good.
Sorry, I was speaking to a guy in pink jacket trying to get the bus. So I asked her about the building as well. She said block A and B have been fully completed now. She did like a tiny bit in the courtyard, and block C is a bit further down the road, and it is on Monia Road. 110 Monia Road. 110 Monia Road, I think she said it was. And then what else? And then she just asked me when we're leaving and stuff, and then the time to work for her. Yeah. And then she's
Yeah.
I think
Yes,
it was
I have
110, 118. I'm pretty sure that
I work again on
and she was like, don't be deterred in the corridor.
Yeah,
and stuff,
you
so
work.
I'm waiting for everyone to move
And
in.
I work in the morning, Monday to Friday, at the school.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Galway School in Morgate.
Okay.
I
Nice.
work there. And
How many? So you
Don't know
live-
why
you
he's
live in
stopping
a-
here for no
8
reason. Like
years.
the light's gone green and then he's not
8
moving.
years. Wow.
Yeah.
Long time.
That's
yeah,
just
very
weird.
good. I like it.
Yeah.
It's supposed to move when the light's green, but
Nice.
And I have my family here.
Good.
My 2 daughters, 2 granddaughters.
Nice.
Yeah.
My wife
110 Monia
and
Road.
my son-in-law.
or it could be that the bus is just in front of that yellow box. That means that he had to stay here. I'm not
yeah,
with that.
Cool.
Difficult, yeah.
Yeah.
For it's different. The culture is different. The food is different. Yeah. But now I like all it.
Yeah. Good.
You live in here?
I live near North Greenwich.
Oh, you live there?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, good. Oh, nice. Beautiful place.
Yeah. The river is very nice.
Yeah.
The Thames is good.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, I know which way. It's normally that way, but because of the football, they shut the road.
it's close.
Yeah.
The stadium is big.
Yeah.
How many?
It's a big stadium, London Stadium. It's big. Yeah.
Automatic.
And today will be sold out, be full.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. No seats. Sold out.
Talk when I
sold
stop
out.
filming.
In the arena too, 25,000 people
Yeah.
So,
can be inside, but we started with football match, but
Yeah.
62,000. You come to football sometimes?
No.
No?
No.
Only TV?
I've just been walking. The park here is beautiful. Very nice.
And you watch TV football?
Yeah. Yeah. It's I go. I watch in the pub. In the pub, I drink beer and watch. It's cheaper, and you go to the stadium. Too much money. Expensive.
this is why I barely go to Stratford, because some of them couldn't off the traffic, it could be congested during this time.
Just tell them that it wasn't your fault.
Yes,
Tell them.
yes, I know it.